In this video, I finish up the 57 Cooper Cyclo-Mo-20A. I got both the mowers done, the Cyclo-Mo-18 and the 20A. So here it is, enjoy. And one other thing, there is a little difference in the air cleaners of the two different years that I show in this video. But anyway, enjoy. I was getting ready to put the decals on the 57 mower, but the air cleaner doesn't accept this. There's no way I can put this on. See how these, I don't know if that shows up in the video or not, but the way these bumps are, they're actually different from the 56 air cleaner. Look at the difference in the, can you see the difference in the top of the two air cleaners? That one being 56, this one being 57. Yeah, that decal works perfect on this air cleaner, but won't work on this one. So it came with these decals too, which I assumed were for, you know, different years, engines, different ways there. But if you notice, see how it has these dimples, and if I hold the decal right up to the top, it still covers over those dimples, and the width of the decal, it will be in those dimples, and there's 4 of those dimples on the air cleaner. So I don't know how I'm just gonna fool around with it. This decal here will be no problem. I think I'll put this one on right now, and then I'll horse with the air cleaner. Maybe the air cleaner won't even get a decal, we will see. That actually came out pretty nice. It folded over into those little dimples quite nicely. I'm going to make a gasket. There should be a rubber seal around here, and I don't have, there isn't one here, just to keep the oil from running over in there. I mean, it's not totally necessary, but I'm going to make one here and just glue it on there just so it doesn't get oil down in there. And then and you can see I put that on the opposite side of where it says oil level. Can you see that right there? I don't know if that shows up, but it has oil level with arrows pointing to that ridge. So when the air cleaner is on the engine, you know, it's kind of going to be, you know, I can turn this any way I want, but might set it like that, maybe. We'll see. I'll just horse with it. And but yeah, this other decal, there's just no way it's gonna, you know, it's not gonna, it would be up on this ridge, or, you know, it just wouldn't look right. So I'm not gonna put the one on the top. Without seeing I put that decal on that oil bowl for that air filter, I'd put the one on this one for the 56 mower, but the actual filter isn't as high, so the gasket actually won't, it would be way down in those divots. So I'm just going to leave this one without one, and this one's going to have it but without that. So there is a little bit of difference in the decals between this one year on Briggs Stratton engines. Got a little washer, drain plug washer glued in there, and I set this on there and it all works good. And that's what I glued it on with. This is a real kind of a thin piece. This is what I pulled it out of. Look at that, Firestone 5 cents. And these are everything that, I have a few of these, but they're kind of neat to have when you need that drain plug washer for one of these old cars. And I do use them. There we go. I'm going to call both mowers completely done. That decal came out nice, looks good. That decal looks good. Nice clean tank, gas cap all nicely painted. Ready to mow. And this one too. I'll just show them both really quick here. This one does not have a jade in it. It's got a more modern plug, but that's okay. This one's going to get used. I'm thinking this will be a nice mower at the cottage. You'll see it. If I take it up there to mow, you'll see mowing videos with it. I was actually kind of contemplating taking this one back up north, seeing this is what we used up there, and sell this one, but yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this one with the rope start. I think it'll be a fun mower to use, and then keep this one nice the way it is, but things may change, you never know. Just have to wait and see. But anyway, that's it for the Cooper Cyclo-Mos. They're both completely done, finally. So if you like the video, definitely hit the like button. If you want to see these mowers, this one in action, subscribe to my channel by hitting that 348 engine icon. And thank you for watching my videos.